So Sin Fatal and I recently visited our local dollar store. It was Dollar Tree to be more exact, and they had a large collection of cheap summer toys you can get for $1 each. So we picked out a few to review to see if they're worth buying. Now before we get started with that, I'd like to announce the giveaways for this video, and the like goals aren't really that high. So if this video happens to get 2,000 likes, I will give away a fun rocket launcher you can have fun with at home. At 5,000 likes, the winner will get a Fortnite Super Soaker so you can cool off during the hot weather, and at 8,000 likes, I will give away a pair of body bumpers so you can have fun with friends or siblings, and you guys know the drill. In order to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me which of these toys shown in this video was your favorite. One last thing guys, please subscribe to my channel for more cool giveaways. Good luck. Now Sin Fatal will take over.
Alright, next, thanks for that intro. Sin Fatal checking in here, and these are the toys that we managed to snatch up from the Dollar Tree, guys, for no more than $5 and some change, which is a good deal if you ask me, right? Alright, so the first one is the foam glider, as you see right here. It looks like a cool airplane, and I think these are flames. Now, there's no instructions on this, guys. As you guys see right there, nothing. But it seems to be self-explanatory, as you can see where you would put the pieces in there. I'm going to take this out of its package and get started on it for you guys right now. Alright, so inside of the package now, and there's 1, 2, 3 pieces to this. Now, what we want to start with is probably the wings. So you want to probably pop this out, just like that, and put the wings in there. Seems to just slide right in there, just like that. Perfect fit, guys. Now the tail. So again, we want to just pop this piece out just like that and put the tail right in there. Perfect fit. Look at that. Now it looks like an actual plane ready for takeoff, right? So what do you guys think? You guys think this bad boy is gonna fly, or you think it's gonna flop? I will say that it's a light plane. It's really light, guys. It doesn't weigh anything. That's perfect for flight. So let's give this one a go and see what happens. When I was at the dollar store, I had to wear my mask, as you guys are probably familiar with, and I'm sure you guys wear as well. And I just left it on, why not, right? So here's our plane, guys. Let's see if this guy can fly. So here it goes. We're gonna aim it at Awesome SB. Ready, SB?
I sure am.
All right, SB. Now all I'm doing, guys, is just pinching the middle, and then with a little bit of power, just throwing it. All right, here goes. Oh, that plane went down fast. I'm gonna try it from a further distance. Let's see what happens. All right, so this one was a flop, guys, but it won't hurt us because we only spent $1 on it, which isn't bad. Would I recommend this toy to you guys? Possibly not, because it flopped on us and it didn't really fly. Probably because it's so flimsy and it's not sturdy. Like, the wings should be a lot stronger to hold flight, and this one isn't at all. It's just too flimsy, guys. So the air quickly gets it and it'll make it fall just like that. Next up, we have this paddle ball, as you guys see right here. Now this one comes with a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or it might be a raptor. Well, who knows? But it's a dinosaur.
It's a T-Rex.
A T-Rex, okay. It also comes with a ball on a string, just like all paddle balls do. Let's take this out and then we'll play with it. Now, obviously this one doesn't come with instruction, guys, because there's only one way to play with this toy. And also, if the string happens to be too long, guys, on the back, you can also shorten the string to your liking. On the back side, we have a pterodactyl, as you guys see right there. Or is it Aerodactyl? I don't know, but it's a dinosaur again. We'll play with the Tyrannosaurus Rex side. And also, there's this bouncy ball. I know it looks like bubble gum, but it's actually a rubber bouncy ball. Now let's see if it actually bounces. Now, it's not your typical bouncy ball, because most bouncy balls, you drop them from this distance, guys, and they'll bounce like way, way up here. So it's pretty nice. And again, it comes with the string and it comes with the paddle ball, which is all that's necessary for this, guys. So let's give this a go and see how this game is actually played. Now, I guess the rule of this game is to hit it and it to bounce straight back to you, just like that. But it's harder than it looks, especially with the long string. So let's try it with the long version, and if it doesn't work, we'll shorten the string. But let's give it a go. Now, I'm sure there's a technique to doing this correctly, but I'm not a pro at the paddle ball. If you guys know the technique, you could leave a comment down low and let us know. Here goes. Wow. This is definitely harder than it looks.
It's too long, it looks like.
Yeah, it really does. So let's make it shorter. And on the back, all we have to do is just pull and then stop it with our thumb right there. Now we have a shorter string on the ball. Let's try that out, guys. There we go, look at that. A lot easier, right guys? Again, this one had no instructions. It's just basically hit the ball on the paddle and have fun with it. I wouldn't say this one is a flop because it's challenging. It will test you to see if you can actually do it or not. Challenge your siblings or your parents. And for $1, that's not bad, guys. And for this one, we have a bubble blower made by, I guess, Bubble Fun. Now this one, all it has is just a gun and some bubbles. Now, who doesn't like bubbles, right? Now let's see if this one also has instructions, because the other ones did have no instructions. It actually does. The first one says, open the cap of the bottle. Number 2 says, pour the bubble solution into the cap. Number 3 says, dip the cap with bubble solution. And number 4, which we are waiting for, pull the trigger. Basically, guys. So, with that being said, let's take this one out of its packaging. Now, it seems like they put super glue in this because it's like really tight. Even though it's a dollar store toy, they really want to make sure nobody steals these. All right, so here's our gun. Sounds like a little race car. And here's our bubble solution right here. So basically we're gonna follow the instructions, guys. Open the cap. There's a seal. Make sure you just pop that seal. Remove that. Get rid of that. And now we have our bubble solution. We just pour that into our cap, just like this. All right, I think we're good with that. Just put your bubble solution away. And now take your gun and aim it down at the bubble solution, dip it in there, then you're ready to blast off, guys. Let's check it out. All right, here goes nothing. Look at that, guys. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Not bad for a dollar store toy. I even had fun with it. You got to do it pretty fast in order to get the bubbles to go out because this shoots air. There you go. And as you can hear, my little cart or my little motor in my gun seems to be doing its job. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? Not bad for $1. What happened? Did you say something to me? Boom! Did you say something to me next?
Sure did.
Look at that. All right, so what we have right here is a water ball sling shooter. Now, as a kid, I always wanted one of these and they were never around. Luckily for you guys, they are around and at the dollar store for $1, which is a steal, right? I think so. Let's take this one out of the packaging and see what it comes with. This one comes in a net. It's a pretty cool net, and I'm pretty sure me and Nex could come up with something to use this for later.
A hairnet?
Maybe. All right, so you have your Slingshot and you also have this water ball. I guess it could absorb water because it's kind of squishy. And it feels like spongy. So I'm pretty sure it could take in a lot of water. Now with water, you pull this back and you fire it at somebody, it's gonna splash, just like kind of like this. That was a weak hit, but the ball doesn't have water, so that's probably why it bounced like that. But with water, I'm pretty sure you guys would notice a difference. It also comes with this like sling, makes for a good shot. Look at that, you see? But with that ball with water, that thing is gonna fly. And it's gonna probably go towards that guy right there. Yep, with the smile, with the crooked smile right there, it's gonna pay the price.
Which guy though, the smiley or the mannequin?
Awesome SB right there. Now we all like Awesome SB, but why not? Now we all like Awesome SB, but why not make him pay the price for smiling like that, right guys? You guys want me to slam Awesome SB? Yeah! Give me a thumbs up down low. Also leave a like on this video. It'll be much appreciated, guys. Take that, SB! While I was shooting the ball, what I noticed is it has this tag right here, guys, and I don't like it at all. We're just gonna get rid of this to make the ball better. So just take some scissors and just cut it right at the end, just like that. Perfect. Now we don't need that. We just get rid of it. Now we just have the ball, which is perfect for us. Next, we take some water. You can just put it in a cup. That works perfectly fine. And you take your ball, and all you wanna do, guys, is simple. Just dump it in there. Let it soak up some water, just like that. Maybe squeeze it while it's in there. You can see the bubbles come up. It's absorbing all that water, guys. See that? Now it's ready. Awesome SB's ready. Are you guys ready? Let's see if we can hit Awesome SB right on the kisser. When you guys take your ball out, don't squeeze it outside of the cup, because then this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna drop all the water it has and it's not gonna be heavy anymore. Let's see if we can hit Awesome SB right on the kisser. Hello, Awesome SB, how are you doing today? Oh, I'm doing good, huh? Now it looks like I missed Awesome SB, but I actually hit him right on the chest. As you guys can see, he actually has some water right on his sweater, which he's still smiling about, and it's really starting to annoy me. So I wanna get him right on the forehead. All right, here goes. Boom! Now what happened there, even though I didn't get him right on the head, the ball hitting him right in the chest splashed and got him all in the face, which works just as good. Hit him right here and splashed all over his face, which is good. Hello, SB. So again, what I'll say about the Slingshot shooter is it does pass the test because it's very sturdy and it won't break on you. As you guys can see, look at that. It's pretty strong. It ain't breaking anytime soon. So you guys will have fun with this for a long time. And for $1, that's pretty much a steal. Now I'll just get a good glimpse of how it works. Look at that. Boom. All right, what we have right here is a water squirter, or just a water pistol in general, guys. These are very common. The only bad thing about this pistol is that it's a one shot, guys. Yeah, that's right. So when you dip it in there and you fill up your tank, when it's full, it's only good for one shot, which is, again, guys, the downside about this toy. But it does have enough juice so that if you put enough power into it, you will reach somebody that's pretty far from you. And in this case, again, Awesome SB. No, I know you guys love SB, but we're gonna take it out on SB today with this water pistol, and we're gonna have a good time. Now, this gun is not very sturdy. It can break very easily, but again, guys, it is a dollar store toy. It's only $1, but this was one of the cool ones that I remember growing up with, and I'm pretty sure you guys will like the way this one works. So let's start shooting with it. Let's just get rid of this label. All right, so the trick for this one is to just dip it in the water as far down as it can go, and then just pull up on the gun, just like this. Oh, look at that. It's full of water and it's ready for a shot. So are you ready, SB? Looks like you are, so I'm gonna let you have it. Boom, guys. Now this one has some power to it. I really enjoyed shooting it, and I'm pretty sure you guys will too. I missed, but I did happen to hit the smiley behind SB, which works just as fine, and I was happy with that shot. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? For $1?
But are you happy not getting SB, or are you gonna try again?
I wasn't happy not getting SB, so I will take a good little shot at him. Don't want to make him pay too much. I'll give him a good little dose. Hey SB, how you doing today? Oh, I'm doing good. Now you're doing good, sucker. Pretty cool, and again, this has a lot of power, guys. I did not expect it to have this kind of power, but it slides so easily and it pushes the water out like a little jet, which is pretty cool to me. Out of all the toys that we talked about, even though this one doesn't look all that great, guys, this is the one that I would say I had the most fun playing with.
As you just saw, these toys can be quite fun, and even though they are cheaply made, they still provide some sort of entertainment. Of course, you have to remember that these were only $1 each, so they're not expected to be the best toys ever, but still, most of these are worth paying that $1 for. And that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget about the giveaways I mentioned earlier in this video. Good luck, guys. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Thanks for watching.